Hello guys, welcome to BST lectures. Today we'll discuss about HTML, which stands for Hypertext Markup Language. We all know that HTML is currently widely used, but everyone has a doubt that what is HTML, why it is used, what are the advantages, what are the disadvantages, and why it is highly popular. These many are the questions which run in our brain, right? So now let us see the answers for these questions. First of all, HTML stands for Hypertext Markup Language, is a standard markup language for creating web pages. Right? HTML is a markup language which is used to design or create web pages. Right? It provides a structure for web pages that allows browsers to understand and display the content on the page. For suppose let us take any website, for suppose Google or Amazon, Flipkart, anything. If we observe that the website contains few text, images, drop-downs, nav bars, slideshows, and buttons, uh, many things, right? These all are made up of this HTML language. This is used for creating or designing any web pages and the elements in the web pages, right? Next, HTML is supported by all browsers and easy to learn, use and modify. As HTML is widely used. Why we will use the HTML widely? Because it is easy to learn, use, and it is also easy, flexible to modify. It supports a wide range of colors, formats, and layouts, which helps in creating attractive web pages. Um, in HTML, we'll have wide varieties of colors, red, blue, green, yellow. Like that, we'll have many shades in that. And layouts like grid layout. Like that, we'll have many layouts and we'll have many formats to use. And HTML also can be integrated with other languages like CSS and JavaScript. HTML is used for designing the web pages. CSS is used for styling the web pages. And JavaScript is used for string of the web pages. Functionality to give the functionality of the web pages. The advantages of HTML. One is simplicity and easy to use, compatibility, search engine optimization, friendliness. It is very simple to use, and that's why we use HTML a wide range, and compatible. It is very compatible and flexible to use. Flexibility and extensibility, accessibility. It is very accessible, easily accessible. Efficiency and performance, community and resources, continuous evaluation. These are the advantages of HTML. Because of these advantages, the HTML is widely used in current generation. Next, as a coin has a two sides, everything has its own advantages and disadvantages, right? So let us see the disadvantage of this HTML. One of the biggest disadvantage of this HTML is it doesn't have good security feature. HTML can create static web pages and a large amount of code has to be written to create simple web page. HTML creates static web pages and a large amount of code is required for creating these web pages. You can see a simple HTML document. This is a simple HTML document which has the layout of HTML syntaxes. In further videos, I will discuss each and every line of this document, and I will say the use case of every line and why it is used, and the what are tags, what are elements, everything is discussed further. Now, now let us see our first HTML page using Visual Studio Code. Are you guys ready? Yes, come with me. Let us join using Visual Studio Code.
Here, let us see Visual Studio Code editor. I am using this for writing our HTML page. First, click on this and here you can download it for your Windows, or if you are a Mac user you can download it. Here you'll have options: Mac, Linux and Windows. You can install it in your laptops, and already I have installed it in my laptop, so I am not installing it now. You can install it in your laptops or desktops and you can have your setup. And if you haven't found the link, I will pin it in the description box. You can go and click there. Right now, after downloading this, let us move to Visual Studio Code. Okay, this is how Visual Studio Code editor looks like after the installation. um, I hope everyone installed Visual Studio Code. Here we'll find the file explorer where all the files we see the folders or the files over here, and this is the file. We can see lot of options like open folder, open file, and new file, new text file, new window, like that. This is edit, selection, view, go, and here run terminal, help. These are the condition, these are the options we have here. And I think these two are not now required. For now it is not required. Now let us see here that this is the extensions one. For running the HTML, I am using one extension which is live server. 1 minute. Live server. Yeah, this is the extension here. I have already installed it. That's why it is showing uninstalled. If you haven't installed this extension, please install this here. It will show install. After installation, just close this window. And now we'll start our first HTML. So for starting this, now we have to create a folder on any location of your laptop. Now let us create a folder. Now let us create a folder. In this folder, which is a PSD lectures. Now let us create by right clicking. You will get new option. You can click there. Here you will see. Let us name it HTML. Right. This is an empty folder. Now we will open this folder in Visual Studio Code. Now let us open the folder which we had created, which is HTML in Visual Studio Code. You have two ways. One thing is file, open folder, or you can else use Control K plus Control O. Right? Let us use this method. I have saved it in HTML, BST lectures, HTML. Open this. Now you got S, trust the others. Now you got this HTML open folder, right? Create a new folder, practice. A new folder is created, which is also an open. Right click, new file. Let us say day one. Day1 dot html. Dot html is the extension for the HTML. Right click. You will see a new file which is empty. Right now, I'm just telling a sample code. I will explain it later in the further classes. Doc type HTML. This refers the document is a HTML. The document type is a HTML. This is the mandatory HTML open and close tags, right? I'm not going deeper. So let us just take a body element and let us write a paragraph in it, which is subscribe to BST lectures. This is our thing. Here if you observe, it is a white dot, right? This is that the program is that the file is not saved, so we have to save the file. Control S, it is saved. So now we will not see any white dots. Now let us, here if we observe, it is go live. Just click on the go live. Yeah, we will see this page. Yeah, we got the output. Subscribe to BSD lectures. This is the paragraph which I have used. In this way we'll definitely do many more things in the next videos. In the next videos we will have a 5 questions at the end for the practice what I have taught. Please do like and share our channel BSD lectures. Thank you for watching, and if any suggestions, you can please let me know in the comment section. Thank you.